Welcome back, everyone. We started today off with a lot of sunshine in Great Falls, but the cloud cover has been increasing for the past several hours. On the Great Falls Clinic iCam, we currently have mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures are in the 40s and the upper 30s for most of us, so it does feel pretty nice outside. But with temperatures well above freezing, that is allowing the snow on the ground to continue to melt. And there is minor flooding occurring in some areas, especially in northeastern Montana, as well as along portions of the High Line. And that's where we do have a flood advisory in effect through at least tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, as minor flooding will continue to occur as we go through tonight and into tomorrow due to snow melt. There will be some rain in these locations overnight tonight as well, so that will lead to additional flooding in some areas. The wind has been diminishing over the past several hours, but we're still dealing with gusty winds along the Rocky Mountain front as well as around Cut Bank right now. And for the first half of tonight, the wind's not going to be too bad, but during the second half of tonight, that wind is going to be increasing from west to east as a cold front works its way through our area. And then it is going to be extremely windy tomorrow along the Rocky Mountain front, along the Continental Divide, as well as around the Cut Bank area. Gusts up to 85 miles per hour possible. Elsewhere, it is going to be very windy tomorrow with sustained wind speeds between 15 and 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts are going to be between 40 and 65 miles per hour. This wind will be coming out of the west or the southwest in most spots. That wind will gradually weaken as we head into tomorrow night, and then on Wednesday, it's still going to be a breezy day with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour, but the wind will definitely be weaker on Wednesday than it will be during the day tomorrow. A high wind warning is in effect for the Continental Divide, the Rocky Mountain front, as well as the Cut Bank area from 2 a.m. until 11 p.m. tomorrow, as gusts up to 85 miles per hour possible there. And a high wind watch is in effect for portions of north central Montana, including around Great Falls and Lewistown from 5 a.m. until 5 p.m. tomorrow, as gusts up to 65 miles per hour are possible. We have had increasing clouds over the past few hours, and that increase in cloud cover is associated with a cold front that will be working its way eastward through Montana as we go through tonight. For the first half of tonight, we are going to have partly cloudy skies, a couple showers if possible. Most of us will be dry. During the second half of tonight, that's when that cold front will pass through. So there will be scattered rain, freezing rain, and snow showers around later on tonight, especially along the High Line as well as in central Montana around the Helena area. That's where we have the best chance to see that precipitation. And a light glaze of ice accumulation is going to be possible along the eastern half of the High Line later tonight and tomorrow morning. So just be aware of that if you are going to be traveling in that area. Roads may be a bit slippery. As we go through tomorrow, we are going to have partly cloudy skies and a few isolated rain, freezing rain, and snow showers possible in northeastern Montana during the morning. Most of us will be dry tomorrow, but snow is likely along the Continental Divide for the entire day. So